Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be part 3 of the 302 and C4 into a 67 Falcon project. I have news. I got parts. I don't have all the parts. Still missing a torque converter. But I got the filter, a bushing, and the 5-disc clutch pack. So I can start to put trans together because I already have the seals and the gaskets. And the torque converter is would be the last thing on the engine before it goes. Last thing on the transmission before it hooks to the engine. So today I'm going to fire up my computer, get back to where I was, and start putting this stuff together. I've been watching the video, doing what he says to do in the order he says to do it. Right now I'm doing this forward clutch. I think that's what it's called. That thing on the video there. Got an O-ring that goes down inside of here. O-ring on this piston. And I got to get some more trans fluid because my little squirter just ran out. Okay, so did that. Got fluid down in here. Get some fluid on this O-ring. He said just to kind of work that down there with your thumbs. Fluid. Put the seal on there. And inside is nice and wet. And we'll just push it right on down into the clutch drum. Just take your thumbs and kind of work around. And eventually it'll go on past those seals. I think I just about got it. Alright. I think it's in all the way now. Check the piston's check valve. I already did that step. The clutch piston has a ball check right in the piston. You can see it's held in by this little clip here. And you want to make sure that it's you don't want that to be stuck or you're going to have a pressure leak there. And you can even actually hear this one flop around. It's in good shape. Alright. Now I put that little seal ring goes right down on top of that piston. Like did that. I'll take the bell spring. I did inspect it. I don't see any cracks in it. It's still got a nice bow to it. Place that right on down in there. And we'll put the snap ring in. Now, snap ring. Now eventually you're going to get a snap ring all over your table, so be careful. The one that's for the bell spring is 75 thousandths of an inch thick. Okay. And that's 75 thousandths. Let me get my dial calipers here. See which one is 75 thousandths. All right. That one there is 62. There's 75. So this is the one that goes in there. All right. Put these back. And I continue the video. This one right here. And I get it started. And you just have to kind of work it on around. Just start it in a groove and start working around. You may have to move the spring just a little bit because the spring sometimes gets caught in the groove where the snap ring goes in. There you go.
No, hang on, I'm not quite there yet.
Tap it around. That's good. Now, if you have no trouble at all getting that snapper in, that may mean that barbell spring is completely worn down flat. And as you saw, there was a little bit of a struggle to get in.
Got it.
That means that there's some tension on that spring. All right, the next thing we'll do is we'll put the lower pressure plate in. Remember, that's the one that's got a little chamfer, and that goes down. All right, now we'll alternate back and forth. 5 will go next. Then the steel.
Okay, I gotta stop this. He's a step ahead of me here. He already had his clutches soaking in trans fluid. I gotta take that step and do that. But you know, it's like I was saying in the other videos, you just watch what he's doing, do it, go to the next step. So right now I have it paused because I need to take my brand new clutch discs and steels and soak them in trans fluid. I'll bring you back later when I have some more to show you. I've been following along, putting in the clutches, put in the fiber to steel, blah, blah, blah. End up with a fiber. Last one you put in is a pressure plate. When I put the pressure plate in there, there's no room to get a snap ring in. So, you know I bought 5 clutches. This is only a 4 clutch drum forward clutch, it's called. I assumed that these 5 clutches would be of the thinner type material that would fit inside a drum like this. I was wrong. So I got brand new clutches. I've already soaked them in the trans fluid, so I really can't return them. And so I just had to buy another part. I just went on eBay, and for another $90-some, I'm getting another forward clutch that is a 5-disc unit. So now I get to wait a few more days. I don't have my torque converter yet. Torque converter is supposed to come tomorrow, and I was hoping I could have this transmission put together today so I could get the torque converter and hook things together and but now I can't. I gotta wait till Friday or Saturday. Today's Wednesday to get that other forward clutch. So I'm at yet again another standstill. These standstill are really they're frustrating, folks. So that means we back out. That's going to be the end of part 3 because of a standstill. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage, part 3 of trying to put a 302 and a C4 and a 67 Falcon. Please stay tuned to my channel for part 4 and other videos. Bye.